nice and cool here in New York. I'm finally back to exploring after a week of flight cancellations and other general busyness. Glad to be getting out again. Today we're going to head uptown, check out the beautiful campus of the City College of New York. We saw it in the distance from one of our other trips, but let's go have a real look at it. If you're just finding this channel, I pick out places in New York City to go explore. I'm going to take you with me. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. For now, let's head uptown. Out of the subway, up here by St. Nicholas Park. We've been up here before. We're actually gonna walk through the park to get to the other side. That's where the City College is. And that was a brand new car we were on. It's pretty nice. That was a lot of steps. Top of the hill here though, this is just a high school. It's in the same style that we're gonna see the rest of the City College buildings in, sort of that Collegiate Gothic. Like I said, we came up here once before for something that you'll see in the distance a little bit later. But while we were here, you could see these buildings in the distance. And someone commented that we should come and check this campus out too. So here we are. Pretty gorgeous campus. I mean, if you like Collegiate Gothic. The City College of New York was founded as the Free Academy of New York in 1847 by a wealthy businessman and president of the Board of Education, Townsend Harris. And it was one of the early public high schools in the United States. It provided children of immigrants and the poor free access to public education based solely on merit. In 1866, the Free Academy was renamed the College of the City of New York. And finally, the institution became named the City College of the City University of New York when the City University of New York system, or CUNY system, was established in about 1961. But the name City College of New York and City College have both stuck. People still call it that today. So this campus up here in this Collegiate Gothic style was first built in 1906. And this is a common style of colleges at about this time, but this is one of the first campuses that was built in this style in the United States. There were 5 original neo-Gothic buildings in the Upper Manhattan campus: Shepherd Hall, which is right here, Baskerville Hall, Compton Hall, Wingate Hall, and Harris Hall, and they're around. The North Campus quadrangle contains 4 great arches on the 4 main avenues exiting and entering the campus: the Hudson Gate on Amsterdam Avenue, the George Washington Gate on 138th and Convent Avenue, the Alexander Hamilton Gate on the northern part of Convent Avenue, and the Peter Stuyvesant Gate at St. Nicholas Terrace, but only the bottom of that one is left. So let's walk around a little bit. Stepped off the campus for just a minute. Down there in the park, that's Alexander Hamilton's house, the Grange. We've been there before. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. That was when we saw the back of this. This is Shepherd Hall. We were just on the other side of it. Now let's wander back up and around the other side of the campus. most of the northern campus. Well, let's head over to the southern campus. I think it might look a little different, but we'll go check it out. So we're kind of backtracking now. This is that high school that we saw in the beginning. It kind of came in between the northern campus and the southern campus. So now we're walking back over to the southern campus. If you look right in that gap there, you can see the Midtown Towers. So this southern part of the campus seems to be much more modern. In 1953, SUNY bought the Manhattanville College of the Sacred Heart and turned it into the southern campus of the City College of New York. I walked down here because this building looked old. I'm not sure what it was, but it looks like a daycare now. That's nice. Now we'll go back up. Hey look, it's art. Very modern. So that's all St. Nicholas Park down there. And the North Campus and the Grange are all up that way. It's a pretty nice campus in many ways and many styles. I think we've seen most of what we can see though for this quick trip through. And since St. Nicholas Park is right there and the subway's on the other side, let's head that way. Beautiful in the fall, but I need to go down, and I think I picked the wrong direction. I think I'll get down eventually, but this may take a little bit longer this way. Found the stairs. Okay. Hey look, bathrooms. You see that old tower on the YMCA building down there? That's cool. Well, there you go. That's where we just were. I'm back up to the east side after a nice visit of a beautiful college campus, Collegiate Gothic. If you're just finding this channel, be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes already available up to the east side on YouTube. Like and subscribe, tell your friends, and look for new episodes every Friday. Thanks for coming with me to explore New York City. I'll see you next time.